Here, can I? Oh, look it. I got it a little closer to you. Can you get that? Can you get that? There, I got some more closer. You're getting a little dark roast. See, it's right there. Have you had enough? Holy, get it. Oh, you're amusing, aren't you? Were you feeling grumpy before that? Feel better now? Calm your nerves? Are you done?
She's licking her chops.
Still a little bit in there. Last call. You gonna go for it?
Last call for alcohol.
Oh, there's still more coffee, more coffee.
She'll put her head in again. She went to.
Coffee.
You just keep moving away before she does.
You always come down to me if you want it. See? There's still some in there.